Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Mentor. Uh, this video is particularly for common queries which is getting asked by many candidates. Today is the registration date when it will start and when seat matrix will get published, when to start doing registration and payment, how to approach with the choice filling, and what information needed in registration and what important rules and tips. So till yesterday and today it will be more. Candidates will ask when the seat matrix is getting released, when the registration is getting started, and how to do the registration. Okay, so this video is particularly focused on these FAQs. Okay, I'll try to cover common queries so that the candidates who have been sending me WhatsApp messages and calling for similar queries will get some sort of help from this video. Before we start with the video, I will ask you, if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe it and don't forget to like the video. We are also providing paid counseling guidance and the slot is still open. So for that, in order to avail, you can call us on the number given on the screen 9319128677. I request those candidates who are just asking for queries, please drop me a WhatsApp message because it will be really difficult to handle all the queries. At the same time, I need to provide the services to paid members. So it's humble request. Timely, I will reply to your messages. In the description, I have given few important assets, ebooks and all. So you can refer those also, and you can join Telegram group which has almost 5,000 members. So you can get some sort of help from there as well, and these are all for free. So let's get started. Seat matrix was expected to get published yesterday, but there is some technical issue which we have been observing from last few days, that the site is partially opening and some section is getting disabled timely. Still we can see the message seat matrix coming soon. So we are expecting the seat matrix to get published anytime today, or it may publish tomorrow also, because seat matrix is only mandatory before choice filling starts. So choice filling is not starting today, is starting from tomorrow. Okay, you will be having many questions, but at the same time, those people who are working behind the scene in order to enable the online platform to take your registration request and handle plenty of request, a huge request which will be hitting the server at the same time. So in order to handle such request, huge request, they need to make the system robust. So I believe the team is working, MCC team is working behind the scene in order to enable it. Okay, so seat matrix we can expect today or tomorrow. First question. Second point, when to start doing registration. Once you have the window open for registration, which might open maybe afternoon or evening, but definitely it will open today. So when you should start doing registration, should you do start registration just the window opens, or you need to wait for some time? I will suggest you don't start doing registration as soon as the window opens. You have to wait, and we will post the videos what all documents, and we will post with the step by step procedure how to start. And it's my decision not to do registration today also. Get all the clarifications on the way. You will get to know the issues or kind of like mistake done by other candidates, and you should not do any mistake because it's very important process. During the daytime, the server will be very busy. So I urge you, if you are facing some problems, server side problem, then you can take a early sleep, and wake up early morning around 4 o'clock and start doing registration that time. Okay, and payment will be also getting stuck as per the last year experiences. Okay, and you might need to do the payment again, but believe me, the if you do multiple payments, one payment will be taken and other payments will be refunded in due time. But if you hit the server, if you do registration in leisure time, means in off timing, like midnight, 1 or 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, or in the early morning, it will be easier for the server to handle your request. Okay, how to do the choice filling and how to approach the choice filling. See, choice filling you should first complete manually. You should have it in mind in what order you have planned to do the choice filling. Otherwise, you may need to spend you need to spend extra hours to complete the choice filling, or you may need to delete all the choice filling and do it again. That might create human error. The chances of getting human error will be more. So you have to pen down all the choices, or like take print out. For the paid members, you need to wait. Once the seat matrix is published, we will also need couple of days time, and we will give you the final choice preference. You take the print out, and you want some kind of customization. You number it, that I'm going to put it on the top, second, fourth, 50th number, which one you are going to put, and you number it based on your like sequence, all India quota, branches, your central universities and deemed DNB and deemed, how you are going to do it. You just pen it down, and once you have it ready manually, then you start entering it, because then at the time of entering the choices, you don't need to apply your brain. You have done the analysis, then you need to start doing choice filling, because at the time of choice filling, if you get confused, the human error chance will be higher. And if you select accidentally one wrong branch, okay, then you will be getting allotted the same branch, which might cause you big loss. Okay, so be cool, be calm. They have given 6 days of time for registration and choice filling, and that's sufficient time. I believe you should take at least 2 days of time. Don't do all the choice filling in one stretch. Even though your schedule is very busy, you have to take your time, because this is very important process. In one go, spend like half an hour, fill the choices, and keep saving in the interval of 2 minutes or 5 minutes, so that you don't lose all your hard work and the choices that you filled, because the session will get also timeout. Okay, and what information you need in the registration? Basic needs details you will be needing, which you had filled during NEET PG registration. Okay, and we will be giving more information and exact information at the time of registration process starts. Then we will create a separate video for step-by-step registration process. Important rules and tips. We had already discussed in the last videos what are the important rules, but I will keep adding all other videos about the important rules, what options you have in first round, when you are going to take free exit, when you have the eligibility. In the second round, do you have the option to do the choice entry fresh or not? When you go for upgradation, you got upgraded, then what option you have? When you will get debarred from the counseling, or your counseling gets over. Okay, with this time they have streamlined the process, because the state counseling is also starting from particular date and going to end on particular date. I'm not sure how practical that is, because we have seen Maharashtra state counseling schedule as published yesterday, and it's not exactly matching with the timelines given for the state counseling as per NMC. So you have to keep calm. Okay, you waited for this much time, you need to wait some more time. It's not like today is the last date, today is the date, just registration is starting. Okay, and they have given 1 day just for registration, and then from next day the choice filling will start, because you need to have enough time. So you don't start the registration straight away. If you do any mistake and the mistake is not correctable, because MCC helpline number will be very busy and they won't be responding as quickly as you expect. Okay, so better to learn the things and learn from the others mistake, and then you understand all the process, and then start doing registration so that you don't commit any mistake. It's very important. If you commit a mistake, so it might impact your choice filling also, your planning as well. It's like an exam only. If you do any mistake in registration, then you will be worried about what will happen, whether you are going to get seat or what going to happen in future. So make everything smooth, take your time. You don't have to do anything before time. You wait until last day and then go for choice locking. Okay, choice locking you should not do after you have done with your choice filling. You should wait, so that due to any reason you want to change the choices, you are still eligible to do the changes. Okay, so these are the some important points I wanted to discuss. Okay, if you like the video, hit the like button. Okay, that provides us motivation to keep supporting you with important updates. Okay, and we will meet again. Until then, goodbye and take care.